So grandma, where you got the phone go do? A video me I go do, you know. Where you got the phone go do? I have one last thing to say before I go. This big dirty nasty rascal. Hey. You see if I never my grandson page, I call some dirty, hey, look at nasty dirty woman where you all break out like when earthquake come and broke down place. All of the whole building shake down. What you text it for me grandpicking them for? Eh? How they make you vote this or you pick me vote this? Grandma, come and leave her alone, man. Me will deal with that. Me don't need you for the... Boy, me don't want you tell me nothing, rascal. Hey, me don't want you tell me nothing either. You don't tell me nothing either. Me come out of to defend me grandpicking. Me don't come out of to talk for you. You understand? This whole nasty woman me say she dey on social media and wish bad for me grandpicking them. And then make your picnic what this, you know. And me see me grandson show me sitting. Where? 9 years ago. And the same thing you want for your picnic. But now you come. I carry feelings to me great grandpicnic them. Hey, look at dirty nasty woman. Go try look cement and mall and patch out underneath your crutches. You understand? Cause none of them make underneath your bus out. You understand? None of them make underneath your bus out and so now me take underneath you. Dirty woman Marcia, leave me grandpa them alone. And I make me have to come back in her phone for you. Grandma, come no man and leave her alone. Remember, you can't say me never want you dirty nasty woman. You down America for much years and worthless. It take me 1.5 years to make when me make America. That me can travel the world. Cause me hear you talk about travel the world. I don't know what you call travel the world. I have 6 different visas in my book, plus citizenship of America. You understand? I mean, you talk about travel the world after you go on vacation. I can live into 6 different countries. You understand? So you big and what this in America for 40 years and come out here and text it for young people who you know want to come back in a body bag. You want to see people business tear down. You live from people like leeches. You see if you ever make me come back out here for you, I'll give you one whole video with a saucering. I'm in a business because I'm going to take my grandson phone, you know. I'm going to do what I have to do. And I don't business. I don't want to know say them not take one page. You understand? So don't make me come back out here for your dirty nasty massy and you me attack the one of them called Kakai Curly. Leave me grandpitney them alone. Alright, and the last one in me I give you dirty junk. Grandma, boy, me I tell you. You have to make that them dirty people your judge. Boy, me I tell you, me not like grandma go, she go on, you know. You're going to make them come say, you may take off and now. We never have to show them that side of we are. Jesus, peace, man. All me I beg you for Lord. People may never know she going to do it, you know. She just come and come for some things because she fly out today. Me have the things at the gate because me know say me I going to do the video. Me make sure I put them near so me not have to run up and down. As me set up the camera them and she pull up. She see the camera them and she see the camera them. She say, how we are going to do video upon? Me say, no sir, I say, me not tell her nothing at all. I feel like I set it up and tell her. Me not tell her nothing. But from me say, Marcia, but because she keep in touch and she watch the video them so she know we are going and she have time. So I now she come. Jesus, please. And the big old woman know if you ain't got the phone, because the phone they on pause, you know. Me put up the phone, the man put the phone on pause and the woman come press pause and clear it off a pause and just start chat. Go on where you go, man. You make the whole world have to know say grandson and grandmother are the same thing, man. Lord God. Anyway, people don't know what they do, you know. We are getting a one video, yeah. Jesus, please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support my backup channel Life is a Mission TV on YouTube and follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And remember, please to run over on the website of Charms and Trends and go purchase one of my merch. Speak My Mind merch over there. We have it in different ways. Just request the ways that we have and we will show you and you choose which one you want. You understand? We put the Speak My Mind on different various places. We can put the SMM if you don't want it to be too crowded. Yes, but you don't know the brand of it on the t-shirt. So when you support, when you support, you help a really cause by helping me to support the needy and not the greedy. As you see, we have a little adapter program where I give back some grocery at the end of the month, and it's this time of the month, you know, where we give back some grocery. I have 5 people on the list and I only can afford 2 at this minute, and I have 1 now what I'm going to start this month on a month on, month off basic. That is Raymond, the one into the wheelchair. Many of you might know him. I think he was my first recipient of the Give Back Monthly program. Yes, I only don't know coming up right after the Independent, the 2nd week of August, we want to give back, you know, 3 basic school kids who want to pay their school fee. We want to move from the book and the pencil that we do last year and make it a little different. There's a lot of parents struggling, you know, and to help somebody for having 10,000 for the school fee, it's a big mean for them that can't even go in them book list or uniform. You understand? So that's what the aim is for. Let's see how it work out. Alright, I tried the last time and it never worked. Our parents never want to come into the camera and just to say thanks, or you know, you ask a few questions how well your kids are doing into school, you know. That if anybody even out there want to adopt that child because of the brilliance of that child, these people don't see that. But they see it as, my friend I go say, Lord, me dey on phone I collect free and see me picnic. They want to when you run go up at the MP office and you not get nothing on them see. Want to when you run go down go join one bag of line down a part to collect part program and join one line for one whole day. No freeness that same way. Eh? You don't want to start the picnic them blessings. So you want me know, me think of it a different way. Whether them want to come on camera, I just going to consult with the principal of the school and then find the 3 person. I take the school fee, the school voucher, and I pay the school fee, get the receipt and give it to them. Whether them want to come on camera or not. But you will see the procedure. So that's the aim. So when you support the merge, I can, you know, afford to do such thing. Just as I want to support the channel, and at the end of the month, I can give back to the needy. So August is going to be a very hectic month for me. As a matter of fact, this month and going into August is going to be a very hectic month. So I want to support the merge. Go buy a t-shirt, go buy a tumbler, go buy something, a cap. You understand? Yes, man. Locally and overseas, yes. Alright? Anyway, people. As I want to say, me get to a 9-year-old video where me post yesterday. But that's not the video that hurt Marcia head in this one. Yeah. The video where I post Wednesday. Remember, you know, Marcia, I don't want to come out here, you know, first, you know, because them come like them have Alzheimer's, you know, or them can't recall when they say and do people things out here. And when you do it back to them, them say you first and them never this and them never that. She were the one who first come out here talking about body bag where Dana's son is concerned, Ladian. Right? And when she hear that my kids is also going into the army, she referred to body bag where my kids are concerned. I do a video Tuesday night and post it Wednesday, as you know see. Because I don't know, say most of the morning video them do from the night before. Sometimes like all this now when I get in the morning, yeah. Because I already have post 2 videos already for today. She come out and she wish the same thing for my kids. So I do a video Tuesday night, post it Wednesday, where I make a thumbnail. Because remember people, I telling you know, me not have to talk and say nothing much. To draw out cocker eye curly like a shoelace. All me got to do is make a thumbnail that will disgust her, get her miserable, tormented. And that's exactly what happened. The thumbnail with CJ into a body bag and the thumbnail and him friend them looking over him, and I put the gangsters and you know body bag and put her a cry. That's what hurt her head. Me not have to say nothing much out of my mouth. Thumbnail alone me can use and mash up myself. So she take to her platform and she a chat. So she take to her platform and she a chat one bag of sitting. And she come out here and say, me a wish bad for her pitney, and when me wish for her pitney will happen to me and my pitney them. Because she not trouble with and she never this and she never that. When me have evidence of Marcia saying this. You saw Marcia them wicked. You saw them stay. You saw lie them is. Anyway, me not going to no whole for chatting. So, wanna listen.
What thing gonna is? I see some of I love the pictures them out there with all kind of things, animal, and I see how you speak your mind. You take my son, put in a body bag of ground with him face on it. You think you get away with that, Bumbleclot? You think you get away with that? You'll be hearing from my lawyer very soon.
I'm waiting.
You are going to steer to social. Me realize, say, you want to turn your next Dr. Love when it comes to my name. You big pussy old boy. You think you never strong on social media, go on with your fuckery.
Me can't see it myself, it no big, me can't see it. My belly no cover it. I mean, I've seen a big old shadow underneath like what belly with dark pocket. Me can't see it myself.
Just as how you put CJ CJ in a body bag. Dead a grunk and him with him face in a body bag and him friend him talk over him. Me want your two blood clot pit the way I send God pussy clot army. Come home in a blood clot body bag, pussy hole, so good boy.
I know what me are saying. They already there. Look at this master. Make I show you what you grudge me for. This was a graduation, Marcia. Look at it. I know you'd want to be one big happy mother at this graduation like her mother. I know you'd want to feel happy like her father and feel proud. Okay, Marcia, that was the graduation, Marcia. Look at it, Marcia. This was the graduation yesterday, Marcia. Wow. Look at my nice Bunununus daughter. I won't show your face, Marcia. Look at my nice daughter graduate, Marcia. Wow. Wow. I know you were hoping for this for CJ. I know you were hoping for this for CJ, Marcia. Lord, this is my daughter graduate, Marcia. Wow, what a proud father am I. Eh? And what a sad mama you is. From CJ at 17, you try with him until now. And all know him can't do no better. Street side of them base. Most ghetto youth are street side of them base, but some of them elevate. We get the opportunity. Look how much opportunity CJ born in, and him can't elevate. Eh? Not even a Burger King work CJ can't hold. Because him not qualified enough. Because him never go to school more than the boot camp. That's all. Look at my nice Bunununus daughter, Marcia, graduating. Wow. I'm a proud father, Marcia. I know you'd want to feel proud as me and her mother, but it never to be. CJ let you down, but I don't think CJ let you down. I think you let down CJ. Because it's an inborn concept for you to be hopeless and no ambition, you know. So it just fall over into CJ. So you don't have, you're asking if you're supposed to blame yourself. Yes, you're supposed to blame yourself. You can't blame CJ. Is your inborn concept spill over into CJ. So don't blame CJ. You know happy meals?
You come here, so you have your two picnic join the army. Well, me blood clot Marcia. Just as how you take my picnic face and put
Marcia, that buying up long time. I send right back on you.
You want for your blood clot, two bomber clot, picnic them. But you see, I'm going to the US Army or Navy or whatever. Come home in one blood clot body bag. Until me go join the church. Me go join the church full time. But we take it back. Until now, when me a sinner said we, it's same as the wish.
You and your son now going to live to see this.
I hit me a wish for your bumble clot pitney them too. An eye for an eye.
Then that me do? Marcia, that me do. So why you turning it around? Why are you turning it around, Marcia? It's the right thing me do. An eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. This is what you wish for my kids and other people's kids. And now I am wishing back this for your kids. But because I create a thumbnail and you see the actual body bag and your son either push out of the body bag because we kind of zip down the body bag, you know, because we want everybody to see who in the body bag. So we zip down the body bag. Because we never want to zip it up, feet just look like anybody in there. We want to show the public who in the body bag. So it's exactly what I do back to you, but you want to spill it you know and play like you are the victim.
You will take this thing from long time with my picture out there. Go and put your two so-called pity them on your front of your blood clot page. Nasty poop.
They are females. They are females. My two daughters are females. So if them even not do that, that not wrong in the sight of God. But your son, I do it and I take it. That wrong in the sight of God. Man to man is so unjust. Remember, you know, man to man is unjust, you know. It's not just the way how you deal with each other, you know. But that wrong in the sight of the Almighty. That your son I take lumber in him rear and he must suck it also. So if females are do it, where God put females out here to mate with man, and you have man and mate with man, come on, pick the beam out of your eye before you're chatting on my face, because it's a very big beam you have in your eye where you can't pick out. Not even an eye specialist can pick out for your beam. I must say that's why you're born with your eye cocksucker. The beam when you feel your eye coming like a column. We roll up one of them 50th story building in America. Because if you have a son who is so good, and him is a man, why complain about a next man's daughter which is a female? I do the same thing. When they come to do whatever they want to do with that, and it's not wrong in the Almighty sight. But what your son a do, a take the hood, it's wrong in the Almighty sight.
Say, old boy, speak your mind. I'm gonna look at blood clot work.
Wow. It come like you have problem with people. I'm bed, me just wake out and I say, what time is it now? Oh, I wake up from about 3:30. So I wake up about just about an hour ago. And it seems like you have problems with people who don't have a 9 to 5, who can sit and live comfortable off of them own resources and live upon the means. You want people to get up and do a 9 to 5 because you try not to do a 9 to 5 for years well. And you criticize and complain about people who have to do 9 to 5 when you don't have to do it. See, you're there, son, so you don't know where I live. You have to go out, they go work, you have to wipe shit, you have to this, you have to that. You complain about people when you used to sit too much years and not working, you know. And say you're operating a business when not profitable. And we want to know where you get the money from. But until such man did see you on the hip strip, like you're selling that thing, we kind of consider say probably the little free money where you used to get on private charity and thing used to back up you selling your crutches. You understand? But no, hard time take you. You can't get no price of your crutches because you have a big old warehouse without shutter. Everybody just come walk in from madman to gardener. Everybody here just take in at the open land there. It just come like them open building downtown when you go down there, the amount of madman take up president down there. So you have all kind of dirty man take up president under your crutches. So you find say that now benefit you not get nothing from that. So you have to go out the back now go do a 9 to 5. You come now and show up on people. And forgot say you used to cuss out people who do 9 to 5. But it seems like say you have a great problem with people who are not doing a 9 to 5. You want to know how we are live? You don't have to go out there to do a 9 to 5 to be working your honest bread. And that's the thing with you. You don't have a business mind. You don't have a business head. You understand? Gone are the days when you have to go out and do a 9 to 5. Technology is 9 to 5. Technology. Not just being on YouTube or Facebook or TikTok. You can operate a business online. You don't even have to lift a straw. So get a hold of yourself. Stop judge people who sit down now and not do a 9 to 5 but I live and not be a pest to nobody. You are doing a 9 to 5 and it's like a pestilence to people. You understand? Because your 9 to 5 what you do, you're forced to do that 9 to 5. Because if there was any other 9 to 5 available for you to do without you can able to live on that property, you wouldn't have taken it. If you did get a job down at Walmart, you not take it. Me can bet you that because Walmart won't provide anywhere for you to live. And you want that free mentality. You understand? That is it.
Go and look at work.
You are worker, you don't value me. You don't have my value, Marcia. I mean, I have not much, but you don't have my value.
Before me start answer you, you only work at 2,000 at 2,800. Until me start.
You grow everybody page out here and your one can't grow. At this minute, me I do this video at 4:43 Jamaica time. This video has done 17 hours ago. Just 5 minutes from 1 day, 24 hours. It has accumulated 3,311 views. 3,311 views to 68 likes. Do that maths for me now, because I never like maths when I go to school, I prefer English. I want to do that maths for me. 68 likes for your video, 3,311. You can grow everybody's channel, but you can't grow your own. Let me tell you this. When me get the break, people, me never go over that. Me should go and take the accolades, because she want the accolades to bust every channel out here. And fear one can't bust. So we could continue with this.
And answer you start growing out. You're gone too far. Come take body ground like a dead body and put CJ and put CJ upon it. Eh? You go too far now.
I want it more if it come, continue.
You're going too far.
Want it more if it come, so continue. Watch her I go show. Let them don't see it already, you don't need to show them it. It already on the thumbnail. So my people, she a go show on her green screen the thumbnail. But it still, this way me do the thumbnail, it hurt her and it belongs to she. Cause it's towards she and her son. But she a go show it on fair platform. But it still when we come out here and we dissect them like a dirty video with them do towards the woman. Them claim to say we against the woman because if we never against the woman, we would not play back what them a say about the woman. Yes, we are highlight on the dirtiness. But look on it in a different way now. Now this hurt you so much, but you are going to expose it to the wider public and your platform who might never see it on my platform. What you do to your own self. The same thing where you criticize us about. But we don't know so hurt you know, when we come out here in defense of the woman. And highlight on a dirty, bad mind ways we wanna have. We know hurt you know. So we just use that. So we should not carry it because if we love the woman, we should not carry them something here we are talk about and no, we are gonna highlight you know. Because people want to know how people stay on a hole and we want to show up the whole of out here. Look pan she are gonna show only not gonna see it still. But you don't see the thumbnail already from yesterday with the body bag. Show it Marcia, Lord, me don't even remember how it did look. Remind me there, fresh in my memory, Marcia. I never you wish it first in my picture them, man.
The same thing.
You're talking about lawyer and lawyer. Me tell you already, you know, see why they me play one of them in the voice note? Where you say how much me I do this and I do that to my daughter. You remember me play about that one day? Me play about that one day in one video since week, you know. There's whole heap more where that come from. Come and make sure I have them in my archive. So carry your lawyer come. Carry your lawyer come. The amount of things you tell me about what pity them. And since we come out here, come talk about the ambition that my kids them have and what me fight for what me want. And what me want my kids them to come out to be that less than a year them are going to the army. You start come out here, come tell me about my pity them, we come back in a body bag. The same reference where you make towards Dana Pickney. And it you make towards my Pickney. And that's why I'm glad when the man find, I never want man or one woman. When the person send that the video they come give me last night, I want to see me do yesterday evening, people. I was so glad because this up on prove how jealous these people are when they are not the receiver and achieving certain things in life what them want and them see other people achieve it, then bad mind your feet. I'm trying to listen to the video yesterday evening and I post. Just listen to how the woman talk 9 years ago to how she talk and I don't play people, kids now where I want to enter into the army. And what she want to happen to them, but it's still 9 years ago, it was the best thing for her child. You understand? She want her child to come out with dignity. To talk all kind of good things about the army and the navy in specific, where my daughter graduated from yesterday. See it there? So when you listen to that video, there you see how this only prove the jealous and the bad mind of them have when them cannot achieve and them say others achieve what they did want to achieve.
See it right here, people.
Watch her show, Lord.
See it right here, people. See there? Him
Hurt
have
your
the
head.
face over here, so. And him have CJ face right there, so. In a body bag. And him calling CJ gangster.
Now you say it?
And put him friends them over here, so.
Then you say it?
Put, some boy top over here, so. And put my picnic wrap up in a body bag of ground.
So people, where the lie upon that thumbnail? Where the lie is on that thumbnail, people? The only thing there's probably a lie upon the thumbnail is not into a body bag. But I am signaling that's where it's going to be soon. Just like how you wishing that for my kids and other people's kids. But where the lie is otherwise on the thumbnail. You say I'm a part of a bag of Yankee boys. And them a gangster based on how you speak. They are gangsters. Because recently, you would say if you did know that 360 would be at Miss Lawton, you would have got CJ to come there with his Yankee friends then. So when you're going to say that, what that's supposed to mean? Gangster lifestyle? A gangster lifestyle? So basically, if them did come, probably some yellow tape would have there. But who fi tell if I know the CJ and him friend them? So tell me which part of the lie then. You say him a spar with one bag of Yankees and them rate him and them respect him and them do anything for him. But he still see it on the thumbnail, him gonna leave them and them stand up over him. Me nah have no lie I tell on the thumbnail, how you say it. But I wanna do this thumbnail because of the wishing, what you are wishing for my kids and other people's kids. And you notice I never do this when you wish that for such woman to say, okay, me I wish bad pan you and never my pitney them. But it reach a stage now where I might pitney them. It reach a stage now where I might pitney them. Oh? So I might pitney them come out in defense of it. But it only strengthen me. If you know, say, boy, you also said it about other people's kids. These people are always going to protect you as a outlist in America. These lads are going to protect you as a outlist into America. But you see, that's what you're wishing for them. But you will never live to see that. As a matter of fact, you can't call them destiny. Father God alone can call them destiny.
Do you see how far your boy are gone? Do you see how far is that one? Dirty Curly said Dana is in financial problem so she tell me about me. See there? He have my son pay, I'm gonna show my son pictures them like.
So why you not read out the next part? Dirty Curly say Dana in financial problem. And she tell me, you stop this about me daughter. You tell me about me daughter. Read out the part, you know. Make your people them understand we might not see. Because you might have a few people who visible impaired and you know them are ears so them can listen and understand. So talk, make them ears so you tell me about my pitney, that's why I do what I do. Don't stop. Read out the whole of the title.
Last night, he put body bag and put my pitney. You tell me now. Him say, him my father, you know. Him say my father, you know. And I remember say CJ and Fee pitney them are close up in a age group, you know. See there, you know. My pitney.
So you never consider yourself as a mother that carry a child for 9 months and feel all those belly pain. When you come out here and say you want a whole plane load of people to go down because of one person. That plane has a lot of kids on it, a lot of elder on it. You never know say he's a mother that feel 9 months out of belly pain. When you say you want Dana Pitney come back in a body bag. Eh? You never feel no sort of way when you come out here and you talk about Chin Pitney. You never feel no sort of way when you come out here and you talk about latest Pitney. And the list goes on and on. You never have no little feelings about a mother. Being a mother that carry a child for 9 months. When you say all these things about other people's kids. I can swear on my kid's life. I wasn't the first one who come out here and tell you nothing about none of your pitney them, your granny or your pitney. You were the one who start this. You start from a big daughter them set you. And as some start come out here come tell you about CJ woman. Till you move on to my 2-month-old baby, which is 1 year, almost 4 or 5 months now. And as some start put your pitney pan thumbnail, your grand pitney. Remember good no man? Why you want people to believe that I am the one when the evidence is out here? Kids sickness. I told the thing them and physical altercation because of social media and bringing down, try to tear down people's livelihood. Was zero tolerance for me. I was always preaching that until you draw me out into this. And I'm not going to play the bigger person. I am not going to turn my cheeks. So you bam. And me turn the next one and say, come again, Marcia. Bam. Because sooner or later you go want me turn back the side here again. So when you go so bam, me I go so and put up my defense. Me not on the side here and give you. Huh? And that's where I started to speak about your kids. So don't come out here come tell a lie. Because everybody know you're out here a liar. So Dana first it come tell you about your picnic in a body bag. Dana first it come out here come cuss you about your picnic when you come out here cuss the woman about her picnic and cuss her about Ladian in the army. Eh? And him will come back in a body bag or expect him to come back in a body bag. Because you feel like say everybody will join the army have to come back in a body bag just like how you feel like say everybody will left Jamaica go America have to go up, go clean or just be a nurse aid. Eh? How much of your president in America serve the army? How much of your big man them in a who are governor who in a the Senate and who are both in a Congress serve? Both female and male. Them come back in a body bag? So why you want to wish that on people kids? When you did aspire for your child to become the same thing 9 years ago. But because him never fulfill your what do you call it now? Him never and needs are what? I don't even know what to say. But me just up in myself right now. Him never fulfill that what you want. You feel like saying no other body child should get that opportunity. Especially in this diaspora in social media. Where you feel like we are against you. Because you make we be against you. Because of this same dirty attitude, ways, dirty mind, bad mind, jealous ways where you have.
You're just 20 years old, you know. Him put me pitney and ground. But let me come to tell you one blood clot out here speaking, man. You see, I want it with CJ. I know Satan give me him.
We don't know who give him. I know we don't know who give him, you know. Because the father, we get to him and him the father.
You see that boy, CJ?
And that's why CJ never like him. Because him and him father.
I want blessed piece of pitney that.
You have a right, you know, CJ not like him papa because I never him and him papa.
Franny in my belly.
Go find CJ right papa give him.
When me pregnant with CJ, me now go out the place. CJ got church from in my belly. CJ Christy got church. And grew up in a church. Touch not what a lot of night I do prophet.
Almost every Jamaican picnic grew up in a church. One way or the other. Because you used to have a thing we call Sunday school. A church that keep Sunday school. And almost every Jamaican picnic have experience with Sunday school. So the whole of we grew up in a church. How much how much church in a square mile? So there's a church actually in every community close by. I just step out of one, you're going to step in our next one. So almost every Jamaican picnic grew up in a church. So what that have to say? To show you how demonic you are. That him grew up in a church, in a belly. You grew up in a Christian home. And look at you and him today. Look at you and him today. We grew up into a church. Eh? Look for who no praise. And the Father God do not praise, you know, a pretender.
So me I go tell us me I return you right back to sender.
That return back to you a long time.
I saw him take all me grandbaby, you know, and put all dog pan room my face in a body, you know.
Hold it more to come.
Big blood clot pussy old boy.
Hold it more is to come. Continue.
You're gone too far.
Gone too far. Me there far a long time.
Far.
A long time me there far.
Me hear you talk about you pick them a going to army. Me want them come home.
Nah going on. Them a graduate now. So I don't like you when you want your picnic going on. I want them in there.
Put my picnic and grow in a body bag. In face spine in a one body bag of soap. Me want your picnic then we are going to the blood clot army. Me want Donald Trump send them go a pussy clot front line.
See your wish here, Marcia. This was your wish 9 years ago.
You say you have two picnic.
This was your wish 9 years ago. And this is an achievement in less than 9 months. This is an achievement in less than 9 months. Look at it. This is your wish for 9 years ago for your child. And look at my child. Just 9 months into America. Wow.
You hear me tell you?
Proud graduate. of the Navy.
These are the people who call themselves, say them cussing people for planker. You tell me if that little pussy old boy no out of order and gone too far.
Me not out, me
I
in
can't
order,
do my
man.
pitney all the time, you know.
Dealing with
Put
you,
behind
I am
bar,
in
put
order,
behind
not
jail.
out of
You must
order.
have
In
your own
order.
blood clot generation. You little thief in so good boy. Batty boy. Only batty boy get up and talk about woman.
Marcia, me live in a sweet, sweet Jamaica. I me not really want left ya. I me never go a jail ya. And look how Jamaica hard. Everywhere you go, uno talk how Jamaica hard. But yet still me grew up in a Tree Valley tile community. Me grew up in a Olympic Garden, West Kingston and Southside. My father come from Franklin Town. But yet still me never end up a jail yet. And look pan your son, him a just 27. Him a almost half me age and yet still how much time him go a prison. But look for me now, me never go a jail yet. Look for me now, me never go a jail yet. Whoa boy, whoa boy, whoa boy, look for me now. At 50 I me never go a jail yet. And at the garrison me live in a born and grew up in the garrisons. And me never go a jail yet. Never!
Every blood clot there. Me no want you. Hey, you ugly. I would even touch your blood clot.
Bear,
You could have never
come here, Bear.
And me pussy you want to suck. You can't
Come
suck
here,
that
Bear.
blood clot. Me not ask you.
A long time in
I
the lift up
want
there.
you,
Come
want
here,
me. You
Bear.
obsessed with me. You know, so you can't get me. Your tongue against me. Me wanna chat to your bumper clot.
Watch
Me
out,
come
Bear
and
is a
take
man,
like
dog.
the
I'ma
man who me talk
prefer
to
put
me,
my
come
mouth
blood
right
clot,
there, so.
you
More
come
than
get
you,
me
Marcia.
chat to
And
you.
Bear is a
Me
man,
think of
dog.
it, me not ask you. As ugly as
You
me
must be
blood
mad.
clot,
Alright, you want me like me lip right now
chat to me,
instant?
fucking head big, you
You go
ugly
wash
like-
off me and your people. Me have Bear and a discipline about the call him. Go call him now. He come like him feel like me and him turn back friend. Yeah man, cause man a discipline people.
Night. Me want for your two blood clot daughter. Your daughter and your son come home in a pussy clot body.
Sit
bag.
down and wish
You take
Marcia.
away the army.
Cause go and turn right around on you.
I saw him take me pictures them, you know, people. I saw him take me pictures them every day, you know. And do all kind of things to them, you know. Me not ask your pussy hole, you'll be hearing from a liar very soon. Me know your name.
Whoa
Know your
yo!
name. My blood clotting. Me just wait for the other one reach court date. And then me know, I me deal with that. Me a come for your pussy clot, mark my 10. I bet you me get your bumper clot channel take away from you. I bet you YouTube have to do something to that. I bet you have to take down that bumper clot. Me not ask you.
We tired to hear you
How
say
much you
that.
bet me say you have to take off that pussy clot off a YouTube channel?
So all the rest that I did with Romy, you send the same threat. So what happened? You change your mind? It has been a while. And I hasn't get an email from YouTube all now. Oh, your lawyer is going to write me now. Okay, I will be sitting here waiting, alright?
Alright then. We are going to see if you have the authority to take my picture and my baby and my face every day and create all kind of picture. Me, because me see in a YouTube community something where you can't get no problem putting people picture on your page like that. Much less you're going to take my pitney. My pitney is on social media. My pitney in a social media.
Oh, so Chin picked in a social media. My picked them in a social media. Latest picked in a social media. Dana picked them in a social media. Oh. Me them not call nobody else, you know. These are what? Chin, Latest, me, and Dana. These are 4 people. Or 4 persons, I should say. Where you come out here for a picnic. And I can swear, none of us ever come out here for your child before. None of us ever come out here for your child before. With all the assertion that you pass against our kids, both baby to our adult to our teenager. The amount of assertion you pass against these 4, see there? Alright, me take down me, bam, 3, Dana, Latest, and Chin. Me put up back me now, speak my mind. Okay. Them in a social media. Oh, alright.
If one making go under Dana go suck out Dana pussy hole when she has
It's
her
a
period.
very good one. A lot of
Go suck
vitamin.
out Dana pussy hole when
A
her
lot of
period and come
vitamin
that you
is there.
want.
Not knowing a year one.
Speak your mind. If you
Year one coming like the whole heap of pussy food them where you walk and buy all about a restaurant. When not good for your health. Because your body in a deplorable condition. That you have to be going to doctor so often, taking checkup so often for this and that. After you preach how well and wealthy and healthy you are in social media. Well, if you see every minute you're going to a doctor for almost the same thing over and over, keep it. The last time I come out here and I said I go to dentist like 2 times a year and sometimes in a mind sharp 3 times. You come out here and say, lie you tell. You have money for go to dentist 1 time, much as 2, 3 times. And why you forgot dentist 3 times? I did not say I go 3 times and I said if you in a mind sharp all 3 times. And you ask me why me I go so often, something must wrong with me thinking mouth. But yet still, you're so healthy in your body. But yet still, every minute you go to a doctor for something different. Every minute you go to a doctor for something different. Eh? Man, I say you can't talk to nobody out here, man. Keep yourself to yourself, man.
Nobody cost me and I put my pit in a body bag for Dana. Go and go suck out Dana pussy.
I will do that a million times. Once on you. You want to go in a quarantine. You need to go in a quarantine right now. You need to go in a quarantine right now. Yeah, man. All of them people that we are talking about would have ready long time. If there's an opportunity that them say me have a chance to get to offer anything, if me do you alone, and if me don't want to do you alone, me have to do the 4 somebody over there so what you just call. Dana, 3. Dana, Chin and Latest. You feel like me go choose you as a single person? If you know someone that get the job done quick and fast, you must be mad. Why me go choose you as a single person because the job I go get done quick and fast? And then within a minute, me start to me and poison. My skin start change color. Eh? What the sense? Me no want to me and so me I go and take the harder work and do the next 3 over there so when me know so when me done me alright. Why me I go to you for to me and you must be mad.
Because every time them supposed to come on social media and them supposed to come class me up and talk anything. And when me trace them off back, you come over your page like a big blood clot pussy where I bleed. And feel like
so you're one. You're one that can't stop.
You's a batty man. The boy them at Jamaica for catch you and give you some blood clot lick.
No man. Not say it that way. They say it the way last time when you say it. When you round up your friend them when you say you have your gangster friend them. If you come look for me and do me things and take away me 3 pints and box me and kick me down. All that me still have, you know. All that me still have. So me ready for when your lawyer come. Me ready.
You must get catch one of them day, yeah. But trust me.
I remember the report up a station same way. It not gone away in the big diary. And me have the receipt same way. So come when you're ready, Marcia. Me fully loaded, not half loaded, fully loaded waiting on you.
Just wait to pussy clot till me finish with this one, yeah. And you me a come off next. So keep it up.
Every minute you have somebody next to you go for. Every minute.
Just like when you have my pity face in a body bag of ground. And turn up over him. Me want when you're pitting and going at the army, the navy, the air force anyway. Me want them come home in a one blood clot body bag and the soldier them turn up over them and fire 2 salute gunshot. Boop, boop, boop. Over them. You think you have come out here, come talk about my pitney? What you know about my pitney, pussy old boy? What you know about my pitney?
What you put out here on social media? What you put out here on social media? Just like the video we play last night.
The paperwork is right there in something. When you get arrested for. Don't put nothing where my pitney not get arrested for. Even if something was on it is similar to whatever una claim, him never get convicted for nothing. Nothing is proven in this blood clot country, whether Jamaica or Africa, around the world, until find guilty of it. If you don't find guilty of something, you can't complete, you can't come put nothing on him.
So how you want to put things on people when not
You
guilty?
never
I
seen
don't know they've
never
never
seen
case.
thief,
And
nobody
your son
bumper
going to
clock
spend much
and
months.
credit card yet.
Not guilty, them find him guilty.
Nasty pussy hole.
Your son going to spend time for your crime. Not guilty, him find guilty. So you was sentenced innocently?
Yeah. Every time you expect when people come out here and talk the truth, you run up in an argument. Yeah? All they do come on social media, go look at blood clot work nasty boy.
Right now, I can't hire you, Marcia. I can't hire you. Come to Jamaica. Probably you live a better life.
Blood clot bank account every Monday.
On a Tuesday again, a Monday now.
You have to wait on social media.
On a Tuesday again, a Monday now, people.
That's why you're so desperate to have 2 pages and I sell cup warmer. Cup for sell to put ice in and t-shirt. They have one warehouse full of
Whoa! So how Marcia says she now watch my page. But at the same time, I know they watching her page. I just what the Marcia says she want to go into the business, you know. Somebody come in and me comment and say, you know, see Marcia already I. True, she say you sell cup. Marcia want to do the same thing too. But me never take it as nothing. As a God, as I stand up here, so I need the green tree, I raise my hand. Somebody come in and me comment what there. Who make the comment what there? On comment back in the comment when you watch a video. Yeah. Say Marcia too, she see me a sell cup. She want go into the business too. And me go up on the live, go hear her. She go as far as she want to start off with even 12. She want buy them and get them print up with her name and something on it. All because for true. But me never really take it as nothing. Honestly, me never take it as nothing. But no, she ever said this. Yes, sir. It's exactly what the person saying in the comment section. Ready I and God soul. And then them that side, them you see I do it. And forgot to the evidence is out here, so you do things before them. Jesus, please, Marcia. I know we know say you're really ready. I. Lord God, Marcia, whoa. But you say me if you go look work, then no business me I do. A business me I do, you know, Marcia. Just like how you have your sheet, them and have your website, them. When last your website activate with a sale? When last? My one activate almost every other day with a sale. No care how small it is. Whether I speak my mind people them or what, because the business is a wide business. Advertise all over on Instagram and XYZ. So people scroll and see things and like it and order. So Marcia and me make you not have a business, my dear Marcia. I am a trying youth. I'm coming from nowhere. And I am not a show off and bossy youth. I drive a 1992 car. 33-year-old. And it's not like I couldn't go into a car mart and buy a 2020 something car or a 2023, 24 car. And I can't afford to go into a dealer and go and buy a dealer car brand new. Me at the first sit down in it, plastic and everything. But I can go to a car mart and buy. Right now, Benz and BMW are coming assault. It's like a little small Toyota car. You walk in at any used car parts and buy a Benz or a BMW. Why you think so much young poor people from the ghetto can be driving a Benz now? Because one time gone a dealership, you have to go buy them sitting there. No, you can go in a car mart and get one you used to buy. But what? I am not a bossy show-off person. Anyway, the Benz and the BMW can take me. This little old car here with Toyota will never make another one like it. Can't take me anywhere. You come in and you say things a Benz and a Beamer, you sit down in a. It no want to tire like your or 4 brand new shoe. Nothing no wrong with it. Huh? AC works same way. Why do you the belt? Did want change? Cause it slack up on something. I mean think of the AC one gas when I got the AC man. Him say not the AC man, that's the belt one change. I'll do it. Buy 3 belt for change because I hear the belt I make nice. I mean I say I like when my belt make nice. Rush when rain fall, I hear the belt. I mean I like when belt I don't like when my car make nice. Not harm at all. No farm nice. That have to solve. I mean buy the belt them put on. So luckily me buy the belt them I never end up put them on. And then now the AC man say I belt me one. So in the evening when him come, me did have the belt. Where?
Merchandise over $28,000 or more. I mean, not even going to go take out nothing.
Not the way you have this on a good. Everything dry rotten.
Get enough money for take care of my responsibility.
Everything dry rotten.
You have to take and all kind of sitting.
And them well taken care of to show you how responsible I am. You are not a responsible person. You want to live free all the day of your life.
What you expect?
Nobody hear me
Me
bawling
when
to
you
them at
come
the
on
end of the
social
month to
media
feed
for?
my kids
We
or
are watch
pay
me.
my
They say I
bills.
watch me for you. Me pussy you did want. Me nah ask you.
Everybody
Before
want
you
that.
turn blogger,
And
you
that's
over there lost off for me pussy.
and that's why you dash it out so much, give
Couple
so
look how
much
you
mad
big
man.
and
Because
ugly.
all of the sensible people, them way you say want it, not
Yeah,
really
look how you
want it.
fucking head big
I
and
be a
black and ugly
gardener,
and
madman, and
crusty.
homeless people want your crutches.
First of all, anything with too black, me never really like. I just because me man when me a chat to know him tall and so me talk to him. Me never chat to black man. You know, all of my man them brown. You ugly, you fucking head big, like a wolf dog. Can me have a type about me?
Man say you can't tell nobody about big head. Your head big to the we don't even know what shape your head have. The amount of different shape your head have it to it big.
Yes, if my man never go
And a
up in
short
and
neck
talk
again,
with
a
you,
big head now.
if me hook like your blood clot, and your head sink down like a them bumbo clot, big pit bull dog.
Sink
You know,
down
see
next,
shape
sink
like
down
a them
neck, you
blood
know.
clot, ugly pit
Your
bull.
neck down in your body,
You
on your
see shape
chest
like
plate,
that.
your so, and your shoulder.
Cup on you.
Look for me now, sit down
You're
normal.
bright.
Me now stretch my neck so.
Well, me I tell
See
you
that?
something
Me
I
sit down
loud and
normal.
clear. Me
Watch
want
it.
your two pitney come in a blood clot body bag.
You know if you see that.
Anywhere them there, to the day. Whether them there Brooklyn, Bronx, clean England.
That's not
me
your
want them end up in a one bumbo pussy
wish.
blood clot body bag. Down to your blood clot baby.
That's not
Jamaica,
your
wind up in
say.
the body
It's
bag.
the Almighty. You won't live to see that. I will be
Any
here
seed
hearing more
that
people
you have
passing
a fucker
around
that
you.
become me and
If
Jake.
not you,
Dot your stinking frowns the dick of your sperm and bring forth child in this blood clot.
you couldn't have my one phone. Because not even in your throat moon want drop my frowns dick. Not even in your throat mood drop my frowns dick for you even get a chance to smell it. So you can't have my dick frownsy. Because all your throat mood refuse, Marcia. So you only get a chance to smell my dick.
Every day you wanna come out here and dip on my picnic. CJ is not on social media. CJ
Everybody
not
else
trouble you,
picnic
and
is from
CJ don't
social
know you.
media. Only CJ is not from social media.
And me, you know what? And me, you know, out here class few much years. Out
I sure you never see a picture of my child in social media. None of my kids. You never see a picture of chin kids in social media. Well, you probably get a glimpse of latest kids and you see Dana kids. But at the same time, there are kids. Dana kids, yes, more adult. Well, my kids then becomes adult now also. But at the same time, the inner social media where you talk about is like they play a part in social media, especially over this diaspora. They don't. But you speak about these kids every day. You come out here in defense of whatever their parents said. You put them into it. So why when the same thing turn around on you, you're so upset? Well, how are you, man?
CJ and Romy coming at this.
Ask yourself the
Oh,
same
CJ
question
Romy this.
when you come out for other people picnic.
You know a blood clot chin? You and chin a fuck?
You don't have the
You know
problem
it
about
is
that.
how me forget
You're not
your
supposed to have a
fucker
problem
when
about
she
that.
come Miss Richie funeral. What happened? She'll give you some pussy because your shoulder take up fear. From this you take up fear. Where she do go fuck you? It won't need to sit down very cozy at the funeral for somebody who just meet and blogging on social media. What happened?
If you're a woman and you did just meet Dana Canada and force up in the woman, so where do you think Dana Saramite? And that's why you did half our hotel room feel like you could have come knock it after hours and go in pan her? No, that couldn't work. You did just meet Dana and sit down close, so close that Audrey gets so tired of you when you know Dana before you. That Audrey have to get up and walk away. Because you was taking the whole show for yourself, because you just want to force yourself on the woman, because you see the progress and the prosperity where this woman have, and the following where this woman have Ghana in her phone. So let me ask you, you didn't know Dana before?
You don't carry on a back road, go make sure go suck your thinking wood. What happened? Because I notice everything. She must sit down on her page and describe me anyhow. Describe my pitney them all kind of something when
You know already you want out in a social media, take up people bungle, talk about it, but when people take up your bungle and talk about it is a problem. How are you? Who you feel is? But anything when you talk about nobody out here, but anytime we talk it burn you.
And go and suck up blood clot chin, never ending blood clot, cool
When
yard
we
shiny,
talk things about
blood
it,
clot,
burn you like
nigga,
salt in a
tunnel,
oon, you know.
stretch out blood clot, pussy tongue.
When you talk, it's not bun
And
with.
that if you do-
We just come back out here for you if you have to come back.
I mean, I take back,
Nah, take that. Nothing.
and go suck out
Nothing.
your dirty stinking girl with
Nothing.
your little ugly blood clot, mongrel, bumbo clot, chimpanzee, ugly blood clot baby.
Master, me I show you my next daughter.
And the blood clot head sit down and big like your nasty ass clot.
Me I show you my next
That's
daughter,
why when I
Master.
can't put up on show no bumbo clot pitney. And grudge me for my two blood clot handsome
Me I show you my bigger daughter now, Master.
when I can't show. Everybody else come on social media and their family. You can't show your blood clot girl either. And
That-
you know say you use a
Them man off the
use a
social media.
swimmer
Woman
around.
and me pick them man
A
off the
blood
social
clot
media.
man you take.
Watch your
That's why
Master.
you sit down. So the Jamaican government for that investigate you because you come talk about say you volunteer at boy a football field. Use a blood clot, maybe a child.
Watch your Master. I'm a big daughter
You finna
this.
be around any man with a customer like that.
This is what you wish for you. CJ for in the army, don't it? I'm a big daughter this. See there? US Army. And me draw the picture because I can't make you see her face. Because they are not for social media. Look. See there? See there, Marcia? See there, Marcia? US Army, the big one this. Not the one on the scene of the white. Go away.
You finna be around no blood
So you
clot
know what, me
boys.
feel happy
We are
and feel
play-
good.
we are play
Unlike
soccer
you,
game.
we live a sad
You're not
life.
to be blood clot trusted.
But you're not supposed to sad.
Because if you was no father
Because you
figure,
make CJ
and you're
hopeless.
anybody, you wouldn't come on social media pick pan baby and young teeny and young man.
Wow.
Cause how you want to say you're a volunteer or you are do a part of a soccer team and you come on social media and trouble other
You are talking about the past, Marcia.
That's you're not to be trusted. You from me see how you chat and laba. You probably did your sex off.
So how you claim to say you're a humanitarian and you fight against domestic violence, but yet still you are tell your son say to eat him baby mother. And if she fight him to fight her back. Eh? You are somebody who say you fly from America, come to Jamaica, come fight against domestic violence, you know. But yet still your picnic where you have, I do the same thing. And you're in league with him. Come out of people face here, Marcia.
The woman them feel watch your nasty ass. You come like a them blood clot child molester. You come like a you are the one them where you walk around and give little young boy them money at Jamaica and sex them off. You is a blood clot predator. That's what you is. You don't say no look trusted. You don't see you sit down, nobody never see with a woman yet.
My personal
You
life
see
is
you
not
come
for
on
social media like you.
Sit down and open up your big pussy and they on social media every day and discuss.
My
And
personal
I take
life
up
is
the
not for
people,
social
and I
media
take up
like
the
you.
claims say I take up in the name of 99 and want a blood clot know the truth. All you want by your page are bumbo clot views and likes. Because everything anybody say bad about her, you carry it up on your bumbo clot page. So who you taking up for? Up until blood clot, now the woman cuss her and tell her say, oh she want to life her and your bumbo clot can't even take up a subject and chat. None of you not run with it. I bet you
Master, I don't go in an argument with you about that part
there.
there. Because you really don't have no capability of real understanding. You can't articulate, so mood even go there so with you. I'm going to use words to you where you didn't understand.
You just want the name to call, to come cuss me, and then the people that wanna like me jump on a page. What you not for her?
As I said before, you can diplomatically insult someone without come out here, come tell them about underneath them. Yeah? Intelligently insult someone without come out here, come tell them about underneath them and come do this and you.
Dirty stinking drunk with dark shit boy stuck. Me say before him start talk about me, he was stuck at 2,800 to 3,000. And from me, answer him and start go answer him.
People, make a clear that for 1 second. That's a lie. When me go so boom and me do the video about Lorraine, when me I said Dana, they must stop cry out for Dana in them sleep. That give me the break. Within less than a week, I reach 1,000 odd subscriber fast. I was at 700 for a long while. And I reached 1,000 odd. And gradually doing videos when I come do all one video with Dwayne, when I come out with 2 Sprat, my Detal, and my mask up and my gloves because I scan him and I saw me give him the name Baby Germs. And me give Dwayne the name Baby Germs, you know. Then I start calling him Dweisha. You understand? And I go so boom and blow past 2,000 odd quick and by continue. Them time that she didn't even much in the picture. Because them time that thing she were still into Donna them time there. So how the hell you make me pass 2,000 odd? Eh? When them time that me did not talk about you. It was mostly Dwayne at the time and I think Lorraine and Dwayne.
In PH Hope, that's why I don't want nobody to tell me nothing. I see some whole heap of riff-raff one out there where people tell me about. I tell them said nobody send me come get them because I don't highlight them. I make them reach.
You can't highlight yourself.
Yeah? Idiot, boy, go look at dog. Well, I'm here to tell you tonight loud and
Me not look no dog, me just show you one a while ago we look far better than you. You show him groom up or what him get him grooming. You know how long you get a good beard? Because you can't reach your front to wash it.
And wherever them there tonight, we want them end up in a one blood clot body bag and one pussy clot marg. Just like how you wish for my pitney. Me pass over YouTube and when me look at my picture I have up there, see me picture here and see me son up.
You
on
still
the
have
right
art to
over
show it
here,
again?
lie down in a body bag.
You like see it?
Gangster. And then him a
She like see it, people. She show it again. She showing it again.
And my pitney over here so on the right side. We know the red right so.
Not in a red, me write him name in a red and black
And I
CJ.
even claim say my pitney are going to US Army. See here, see the headline there. Me make sure me screenshot this blood clot because go make a long time me a screenshot if you say go give me liar if I put on. Me now ask you. Him not top carry CJ on him page. Anytime the girl them chin or latest or anybody cuss me. And me cuss them back, in come cuss me back and put up my face like this. And put me on animal head, and put CJ and me young 2 years.
Wally Morris to come, continue.
Pass it them. And him have CJ lie down in a body bag. So that is the reason why me a tell him back. Say me want back.
Yeah, tell me back, you already tell me why it reach a stage. You already tell me that's why it reach a stage. Try convince your people them we are idiot, man. Or your people them are hypocrite when no say you did say it first.
That's why them not stop kill them over by him. You TikTok. Every day him do it, Judith. Every day him carry me picture in a some degrading way. Every day and me at the highlight to him have.
Wally Mora come master, no worry.
Much time.
You know what you know my phone when make and use it?
You can't see say.
You have all one or two that one they can't post.
Obsessed with
Cause I know YouTube are gonna take it down.
because these
When me
type
put
of
one
work,
big old sitting
they
in your
take a
mouth and
long
you dip
time
on
to
it.
create.
I true that one they can't go up. But me I
You
gotta
know,
find a
put
way
voice
to
in the
cover
hair,
it with a
say whatever.
cucumber.
These things
No
take
worry.
a long time to create. So just to
And just make
show
sure me
you
highlight
how
it to
the
my
blood
people them so they
clot
look
boy
on it.
Desperate. And him have some people on him page when they like me.
Nobody
Because
at all
when
no
read the
like you.
comment, hear them all,
No
"Oh,
some.
you're the best." And you know if it draw her like that.
No
and you
some.
know if it
Nobody
draw her
no
that.
like
So
you,
show
man.
you
The people
how
can't
the
like somebody
bumbo
like
clot
you.
they hate me.
We so
And
lie.
They hate me because me a live bumbo clot better than them. Move on a nasty blood one big pussy under your foot.
Compare to your one. Compare my puss with your one.
Because I know say where you sit down there, sit down one place. I want bucket to the pan.
So hold on. You want to give me two of the man diaper what you have in there? So oh you say the man active can go to bathroom to and from without your assistant. So what am I doing a diaper? Something not right. Ninja Man Vice, something not right. Because what you do, probably when him go out, you put him in a diaper. Give you the benefit of the doubt. Because I can't, when him dead so, where him can able, because he's physical enough, able to go to the bathroom, to and from, without your assistant, Why would you be putting on diapers on him? Because you said that, you know. But now you say you want to give me two of the man diaper.
Your blood clot leak like a when pipe a leak and can't turn off.
I must say you make the woman buy them
dirty
still because she
drunk
knows you know where your
product.
jaws and your leak and she know why you're not at the
Who
people
you?
them place.
Anybody know you? Your blood clot ghetto boy. Where you come from? Eh? Your little underprivileged blood clot.
Marcia,
big
right
boy.
now if I go up on the
Can't
main
matter
one, go
up,
stand
can
up there,
you
sir. Every
imagine
minute
you
me have to
stretch
depend.
out
Yeah.
your mama pussy when
Yeah.
you have- when
And
you
nobody
have
not know
out?
me.
Look how your
And you
blood
where somebody
clot
know,
big.
nobody not call
Your
to you.
mama should have squeezed up your blood clot head and stifle your bumbo clot.
And that your mama did that try to do, that's why your
Now
head
where
shape
you
so.
born from? I can't
And
look
that
at you
your
in the
mama did that
hospital
try to you
now.
make
You
your head
set
shape
like
so
a
like a
damn
cone.
blood clot bulldog. Look how
You
you
know see
look.
your mama did want to get you there from your
Look how
barn.
you look like a
I
blood
escape,
clot
you escape.
handicap. And then you look over there and call people name. You know see how you look. You barely are getting a pussy clot neck. You know see how you look.
People when you have no neck, you can't see neck, man. You see them stay so. I saw them stay. You don't see no neck. Look on Rosalie. You see your neck on Rosalie? Rosalie not have no neck. Look on me.
And you have a bumbo clot nerve come on social media, boy. You have a eye.
Marcia, look on this. This is not a test glass, Marcia. What kind of lens big? This is a bifocal glass. When the sun take it, when we go out into the sun, it get dark and shade my eyes. And when I'm in the clear, it is clear. This is just for reading purpose, Marcia. But I could have bought one of the, that's where I start. One of the little $200 reading glass them, where you have different lens on it, where it can combine numbers. That's where I start. But I was buying too much of it because as a quint, them drop off because them light. Come, you just take them off and pin them on. But the thing is now, because I buy this now and this now drop off so regular, me keep it on my face, and then now, as me always hear from me I grow, once you start wear glasses, you can't stop. Because every time you take it off, it's like you're having a problem. Because you just get so used to it. Look at this where you say thin lens, Marcia. You know what, when you talk about lens thick, what this look like a thick lens to you? Marcia, you just have chat. You just try to find something to say, Marcia. I mean, know the thumbnail jerk you. And me not have to say nothing to you. Just make some thumbnail and that's it.
Not even blood class. You look at your glass, them thick. You can't say good. People who can't say good for not chat people.
Marcia, me can't drive go anywhere with this. Night or day without this.
Yes,
no reflection of any other headlamp, no do me nothing. Unless a high beam the man depend. We should know high beam affect anybody. Once a man bright light in your face, it will affect you. But if you say, me can't see and me go crash. No, you man.
Yeah, man. With your little thinking sour front where you have. You ain't the man.
Ask CJ my wa because if my party one bag of man. And they ever want to go look at what. You have to mind the man and mind him pitney.
Just like how you have mine.
True, you not mind the baby mother now. The baby mother have to go and beg on TikTok. So them say me say so.
Then that will teach you a bumbo clot lesson. Stop wish bad from people pitney.
You have 20/20 vision and you live in a glasses night and day. Night and day you live in a dark glasses and you have 20/20 vision.
The evidence is right here. The evidence is right here, people. The evidence is right here. See it right there, so.
I get you put it up again. Hey, she love see it, you know. I go and make another one for you. Before the week done, you get another thumbnail. Continue.
I want body bag wrap up and call my friend and call my son gangster, and him have four boy thump over him and him friend and call me pitney gangster and put him in a body bag wrap up.
I know my friend them. Are your son friend them where you say my walk with?
I see him have my face over here, so. I saw him take my picture, and you tell me, say, me not come out of social media.
I third to the fourth time now she put out the picture, you know, she love it.
You tell me that, see the evidence right here, so. This is what him have on him front page, M page right there. See there, me pitney in a body bag. This is what YouTube money do to people. Yes, this is what YouTube money, this is what Facebook, YouTube is paying these Jamaicans for. If you're gonna cost me, cost me. You don't trouble CJ. CJ don't know, no?
Wow! Me now go back when me talk about already. The rest of people them pitney the trouble and my pitney the trouble you.
And them first go in a whoever go in a record, whoever call them and tell them whatever, you know, and then go in a record pan computer, you know. But dash out CJ paperwork and everything, you know. Ashanti 360. and them run away with it. And then he come out here and talk false allegation. Even as much as me pitney that prisoner spend 5 years, and my pitney only got jail for 2 months in a one detention center in North Carolina. The way CJ was so blessed and a prayer over him. Where he was supposed to go one different part and over there full. So him stay over one different part by himself.
No, but stay over one different part by himself. Him stay over the part where him man there. We bust up him quinty, mash up him rectum, because mama rectum mash up to him and gone wear on in her crutches, you know. So son, so the mama saw the son. So him want him rectum mash up to that, so him want stay because the couple days where him spend there, he meet that man there and the man them mash up him quinty, so him never want move from there because him already find a man to go up in him. Move with your liar self. Speak my mind, people, bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. There's a whole lot more in the video, but I feel like stop right here. I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV and YouTube. Follow me up on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And please remember, she got me for my website and my business where me I do. Go over on the website of Charms and Trends and make she mad. Make me do some whole lot more posts when you don't know buy and a post, you know, when you don't get to no goods. Run go over there, go support on Charms and Trends that shop and buy something so we can continue to support the needy and not the greedy. Bless upon yourself, Charms and Trends that shop. Speak my mind t-shirt, caps, tumblers, water bottles, wine cup, tea cups, wapners, phone cases, your nice rhinestone bracelet. Come on, just run over to the website, Charms and Trends that shop. Bless upon yourself. Peace out. Marcia, we are the troublemaker, not you.